An autobiography is a self-written account of a person's life, offering a first-person perspective on the author's journey, thoughts, and emotions. It differs from a biography, which is written by someone else. Types of autobiographies include traditional autobiographies, memoirs, autobiographical novels, personal essays, confessional autobiographies, travelogues, and spiritual autobiographies. Each type offers a unique approach to narrating life stories, providing different lenses through which readers can understand the author's experiences. To write an autobiography, start with a timeline of significant life events, select key moments, and write in the first person. Be honest and reflective, include anecdotes and details, and edit and revise your work. Starting an autobiography can be challenging, but is crucial for capturing the reader's attention. Famous autobiographies include The Diary of a Young Girl by Anne Frank, Becoming by Michelle Obama, and I Am Malala by Malala Yousafzai. In contrast, notable biographies include Steve Jobs by Walter Isaacson and Alexander Hamilton by Ron Chernow. Writing an autobiography is a rewarding process, allowing individuals to share their unique life stories. Every life story is worth telling and can offer valuable insights and inspiration to readers.